Hi everyone, welcome to MR Learning Circle. I hope everyone is fit and fine and doing good in their lives. So today is the 7th lecture of our MCQ series for microbiology. So today we are going to start with microbial taxonomy and diversity. It's the first part, and the topics that we are going to cover today is bacteria, archaea and their broad classification, as well as eukaryotic microbes, in which we are going to do the questions of yeast, molds and protozoa. So let's start, and I hope you all have watched the previous lectures, and if you have not, then please go and watch it. It is really beneficial and you would all be benefited from the lectures that are being provided to you. So now let's start with it. So the first question from bacteria, archaea and their broad classification is, which of the following is a key difference between bacteria and archaea? Option A, bacteria have circular DNA, archaea have linear DNA. B, archaea have ether-linked membrane lipids, bacteria have ester-linked lipids. C, bacteria are always extremophiles, archaea are not. D, archaea lack ribosomes. So the correct answer for this question is option B. That is, archaea have ether-linked membrane lipids, whereas bacteria have ester-linked lipids. Okay, now question 2. Methanogens belong to which domain? Your options are A, bacteria, B, archaea, C, eukarya, or D, virus. So the correct answer for this question is option B. Yes. Next, the Wu's 3-domain system classifies prokaryotes based on A, cell wall type, B, 16S rRNA gene sequence, C, gram staining, D, oxygen requirement. So the correct answer for this question is option B, 16S rRNA gene sequence. Question number 4. Gram-positive bacteria are characterized by A, thin peptidoglycan layer with outer membrane, B, thick peptidone layer with teichoic acid, C, absence of peptidoglycan, D, LPS in the outer membrane. So the correct answer for this question is option B, thick peptidoglycan layer with teichoic acid. Question number 5. Which bacterial phylum is known for high G plus C content and production of antibiotics? Options are A, Firmicutes, B, Actinobacteria, C, Proteobacteria, D, Cyanobacteria. So the correct answer for this question is option B, Proteobacteria. Sorry, Actinobacteria. Okay. Question number 6. Cyanobacteria are classified as A, gram-positive cocci, B, gram-negative photosynthetic bacteria, C, archaea, D, methanogens. So the correct answer for this question is B, gram-negative photosynthetic bacteria. You know cyanobacteria, they are gram-negative, so you have to remember that. And they are oxygenic photosynthetic bacteria. Okay. Next is question number 7. The main phyla of bacteria include A, Proteobacteria, Firmicutes, Actinobacteria and Cyanobacteria. B, Eukaryota and Crenoarchaeota. C, Protozoa, algae, fungi. D, viruses, virions and prions. So the correct answer for this question is easy one, Proteobacteria, option A, Firmicutes, Actinobacteria and Cyanobacteria. Question 8. Extremophilic archaea such as halophiles and thermophile A, belong to bacteria, B, thrive in extreme environment like high salt or high temperature, C, require peptidoglycan cell walls, D, are gram-positive. So the correct answer for this question is option B, thrive in extreme environment like high salt or high temperature. Extremophiles, as the name signifies, they would thrive in extreme environments. Next is question 9. Which of the following bacterial groups form endospores? A. Proteobacteria. B. Firmicutes like Bacillus clostridium. C. Cyanobacteria. D. Actinobacteria. Easy question. Bacillus and Clostridium. Option B is the correct answer. Question 10. Which of the following statements about archaea is true? Option A. All archaea and methanogens. Option B. Archaea have pseudopeptidoglycan in some cell wall. C. Archaea always lives in moderate environments. D. Archaea are gram-positive. So option B. Archaeas have pseudopeptidoglycan in some cell wall is the correct answer. Okay, so that was for bacteria, archaea and their broad classification. Now, next topic is eukaryotic microbes, yeast, molds and protozoa. So first question is the main structural difference between yeast and mold is A. Yeast is multicellular, molds are unicellular. B. Yeast are unicellular, molds are filamentous multicellular. C. Both are multicellular. D. Both are unicellular. So easy question. Yeast are unicellular and molds are filamentous multicellular. Question number 2. Which of the following fungi reproduces primarily by budding? Your options are A. Aspergillus, B. Candida, C. Penicillium, D. Rhizopus. So the correct answer for this question is also option B, that is Candida. Next, question 3. Dimorphic fungi can exist as A. Only yeast, B. Only mold, C. Yeast in host tissue and mold in environment, D. Protozoa in host and fungi in environment. So the correct answer for this question is option C. Yeast in host tissue and mold in environment. So dimorphic fungi, what would be the example? Histoplasma and Blastomycetes. So they exist as yeast in the host and mold in the environmental conditions. Now question 4. Aseptate hyphae is sporangiospores. Aseptate hyphae with sporangiospores are characteristic of. Come on. Option A. Ascomycota, B. Basidiomycota, C. Zygomycota, D. Candida. So with sporangiospores. So it is Zygomycota like your Rhizopus. Option C is the correct answer for question number 4. Now we have question 5. Protozoa are classified based on their mode of locomotion. Which of the following is correct? A. Flagellates, ciliates, amoeboids, sporozoans. B. Yeast, molds, chytrids. C. Bacteria, archaea, eukarya. D. Gram positive, gram negative. So the correct answer for this question is option A. Flagellates, ciliates, amoeboids and sporozoans. Question number 6. Plasmodium, the causative agent of malaria, belongs to which protozoan group? A. Amoeboids, B. Flagellates, C. Sporozoans, D. Ciliates. The correct answer for this question is C. Sporozoan. Next is question 7. The sexual spores of Ascomycota are called A. Conidia, B. Zygospores, C. Ascospores, D. Sporangiospores. So the correct answer for this question is C. Ascospores. Question 8. The primary difference between yeast and protozoa is A. Yeast are prokaryotic, protozoa are eukaryotic. B. Yeast are fungi, protozoa are unicellular eukaryotic animals. C. Both are photosynthetic. D. Both form hyphae. So the correct answer, easy question. Yeast are fungi and protozoa are unicellular eukaryotic animals. Now question number 9. Sporangiospores are produced by A. Candida, B. Rhizopus, C. Plasmodium, D. Giardia. So correct answer for this question is option B. Rhizopus. Question number 10. Which protozoan is a common intestinal flagellate in humans? Options are A. Antamoeba histolytica, B. Giardia lamblia, C. Plasmodium falciparum. D. Bacillidium coli. Easy question. Option B is the correct answer for this question. So that was all for this lecture. I hope this video is useful for all of you, and if you find this video useful, beneficial, then please share it with your friend. Please like and do comment, and thank you for watching.